G'day people. So today I've took the top yoke off. It's time to take the bottom yoke off and get the bearings out. What I found out is, as I was undoing it, it's all loose bearings. Come on. It's all, let's see if we got a focus, all loose little bearings like that. So, got a magnet, I'm going to pull that off, try and collect all the bearings up, try not to lose any, grease it up. I was just going to spray them on the bike, but as I took the top, well, as I took the handlebars and everything off and everything was off it, I tried turning it, it felt a bit notchy, so I'm just going to take it off, clean it up, re-grease it, see if it solves the problem. So, top and bottom yoke off. Cleaned it up slightly, I'll clean it up a bit more. Bottom yoke, see, rusty, covered in crap, so I'll give that a good clean up. Top yoke's not too bad. I'll give them a clean up, sand them down, get one ready for spray. Right, as you can see, front end's all off, everything's sanded, ready for a respray. Just run out of time to do. I've spent about 3.5 to 4 hours stripping it, sanding it, prepping it, getting ready for the respray. It's all going satin black. Yeah, no, I'm going to spray the speedo. Don't really want to keep it, but until I get another one it will do. Like I said, I've got to use it for work. I am thinking of mounting it here on the side of my tank, a speedo here, and my little lights here for I-beam, neutral and turn. I'm actually looking at getting some lights, just some lights, drilling holes in here, just having the 3 lights in here instead of having that connected on the bike. Also, I am looking at moving everything in this one, the CDI unit, everything, moving it, but I'm going to work out where I'm going to put it. Looking at putting single carburetor on, just waiting for the manifold to turn up, and I'll just go buy carb. Soon that's gone, I might mount everything where the air box and everything is, but everything inside the frame here. Can't put the CDI unit in. I know it's not called a CDI unit, but everyone knows it as a CDI unit, so can't put that in there because it needs to stay cool. So I've got to find a place to mount that out of the way of the rain, but somewhere where it will stay cool. So then that will go. So then I was tempted to go GPS speedo. Then I was thinking of getting a little small one and having it in it here, mounted in, then put my 3 lights in that side. The only thing is, when I'm sat on the bike, I ain't going to be able to see it. So, not sure. We'll see how things go. But the way it's going to look in is I'm going to mount something off this tank bolt here, and have my speedo sat here at the side. That's where I'm probably going to end up going, but I was trying to look for something different to do. Front mudguard is here. That's what I'm going to be cutting off it. And on the back, don't worry about them, I was just thinking of cutting it around, whatever. but I still need to cut that as well. So that's how far I got with it today. Yeah, I'm spraying the centre of my disc as well. I say I'm going to be using it all year round. Rain, possibly snow, if I can find some decent chunky tyres. We'll see what happens. See how we go along with this. So don't forget to subscribe and like to carry on watching this bobber / rat build.